अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। मुफज्जुल हुसैन मंडल, इनका सवाल है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम मुफ्ती साहब, आई वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ गैम्बलिंग इन इस्लाम। देयर इज प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड मीडियम वेयर मेनी पीपल राइट एंड पब्लिश देयर ब्लॉग्स। हाउ दे वर्क? Is readers pay and subscription of rupees 200 in some countries. It is $5 to get access to all the contents. This is called membership. You can read around 3 posts a month for free. But if you want to read more, you need to pay a fee. And the writers get their payments from the subscription fee for his articles that the readers have gone through. If I want to become a writer in Medium, it is not compulsory for me to pay any subscription fee. I can write, and if people read my articles, I get a portion of the subscription fee. However, I can pay subscription fees if I myself want to read the articles written by some other people. In simple words, if I read some other people's blogs, I pay them, and if they read my articles, I get paid. Can you please help me understand if this falls under gambling? Jazakallahu khairan. Mufazzul Hussain Mandal. Brother Mufazzul Hussain, this is completely lawful for you and for others writers also, because this called as per Sharia ijara. Ijara means what? Ijara means some people they are writing some books and they are giving as per ijara for one day. They have a fees or any charge for one day, for 1 month, like many libraries. If you want to visit there, they have memberships, so you should be pay memberships. So same thing, this is also this we can consider this thing also online library. So if you want to read some books and if they are collecting some money from you, so that is completely lawful and halal for them. And if you are writing some blogs or some books and you are giving to people to read your blogs and your article or your book, and you are charging some money from them, so this is completely lawful, this is completely halal for you, and this called as per Sharia ijara. So you are taking this money or they taking some money, so this called ijara, and this is as per Sharia completely halal and jaiz for you. If you fixed your prices for 1 day or for 1 month, so no problem is there, and I hope you understood well. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.